Welcome to Nested Labs free Ethers to Gwei converter tools video. If you've ever been worried about adding too many zeros to a smart contract transaction or getting your Gwei and Wei mixed up, this tool is for you. Welcome to the free app tools Ethereum unit suite, the fastest way to handle Web3 math with zero room for error. And because we use exact integer arithmetic, you get 100% precision, no floating point errors. Just click, copy, and you're ready to paste into your code or wallet. But what about tokens? Not every token uses 18 decimals. Switch over to the ERC20 tab to handle coins like USDC, USDT, or wrapped Bitcoin. Simply select your token standard or enter a custom decimal count. Convert human-readable amounts into the raw integers required by smart contracts instantly. It's the perfect sanity check before you hit send on a transaction. Don't forget to like and follow us for more Web2 and Web3 tools and tutorials.